In a move that has electrified the global gaming community, NVIDIA has just launched an incredible giveaway that could make two lucky gamers in Australia the proud owners of one of the most powerful GPUs ever built, the RTX 5080 Founders Edition. And what makes this event truly legendary is that both graphics cards will come personally signed by none other than NVIDIA's iconic CEO, Jensen Huang, turning these GPUs into priceless collector's items that every gamer dreams of owning. So if you, live in Australia, listen carefully, because this could be your golden ticket to next-level gaming performance, zero cost, and the ultimate bragging rights in the entire PC master race community. To celebrate GeForce Day, NVIDIA has officially announced that it's giving away two RTX 5080 Founders Edition graphics cards in an exclusive contest that's already sending waves across the internet, especially among tech enthusiasts and hardcore gamers who have been eagerly waiting to get their hands on a brand new RTX 50 series. The rules are surprisingly simple, and that's what makes this giveaway even more appealing. You don't need to fill out long forms, buy anything, or even register on a separate website. All you need to do is go to NVIDIA GeForce's official X, formerly Twitter, account, find the GeForce Day giveaway post, and comment GeForce Day. Yes, that's it. Just 2 words could potentially make you one of the very first people in the world to own the RTX 5080 Founders Edition, a card that's rumored to crush every benchmark and redefine performance efficiency in 2025. NVIDIA even recommends following their X account, which not only helps you stay updated on new GPU launches and driver updates, but could also increase your visibility in the contest, giving you a better shot at being noticed by the giveaway algorithm. Entries are already open and will close on October 13th, meaning the clock is ticking for Australian gamers to secure their chance before the window shuts tight. Now, before you get too excited, there's one important condition. This giveaway is exclusive to residents of Australia, so unfortunately, entries from other regions will be automatically disqualified, and NVIDIA has made it clear that this is a regional event aimed at engaging and rewarding its Australian community, possibly due to upcoming marketing pushes in the region, or as part of a localized GeForce Day celebration event. Participants must also be at least 18 years old, ensuring that all entries comply with the standard giveaway rules and legal eligibility requirements. Once the entry period ends, NVIDIA will not waste any time. Within 24 hours, the company will randomly select the winners and contact them directly via private message or email. So if you're entering this contest, make sure your DMs are open and your inbox is checked regularly, because missing NVIDIA's message could mean losing one of the rarest GPUs on the planet. And yes, if the winner doesn't respond within 2 days, NVIDIA will move on and choose another participant. So timing and attention are key here. The RTX 5080 itself is a monumental leap in graphics technology, part of NVIDIA's highly anticipated RTX 50 Blackwell series. And while full specs haven't been officially released yet, early insider reports suggest it could feature massive performance boosts, next-gen DLSS 4.0 support, enhanced ray tracing cores, and improved power efficiency thanks to architectural advancements. Combine that with Jensen Huang's autograph on the iconic Founders Edition design, known for its sleek metallic body, dual fan symmetry, and signature NVIDIA green glow, and you got something that's not just a GPU, but a historical artifact for any serious collector or PC enthusiast. This giveaway is part of NVIDIA's broader marketing campaign for GeForce Day, a celebration that honors the company's legacy in gaming, innovation, and PC performance leadership, reminding gamers why the GeForce brand has dominated the market for decades. It's not just about selling hardware. It's about connecting with the community, rewarding loyalty, and reigniting the passion that started when NVIDIA first revolutionized gaming graphics years ago. What makes this moment even more special is the involvement of Jensen Huang himself, a figure who has become somewhat a legend in the tech world. His signature on a GPU isn't just a name. It's a mark of innovation, leadership, and a relentless pursuit of perfection that NVIDIA has embodied since day one. The signed RTX 5080 Founders Edition is more than a gaming card. It's a piece of history. Imagine unboxing that shiny black and silver masterpiece, seeing Jensen's signature etched into the frame, and knowing that you're holding something no retail store could ever sell. It's a moment that would make any gamer's heart race. But beyond the emotional value, the practical aspect of this giveaway is equally fascinating. By limiting entries to Australian residents, NVIDIA is likely testing regional engagement, possibly preparing for upcoming product launches or localized events. Australia has been an emerging hotspot for tech and gaming, with its community rapidly growing in influence, and this giveaway could be NVIDIA's way of saying thank you while also generating massive social buzz. The company has smartly chosen X Twitter as a giveaway platform, a space where tech enthusiasts, gamers, and content creators all converge, maximizing exposure through viral engagement. Every comment, every retweet, and every post mentioning GeForce Day is essentially free publicity that amplifies NVIDIA's brand presence ahead of the RTX 50 series global rollout. It's marketing genius, executed with simplicity and excitement. Now, for those wondering about the timeline, once entries close on October 13th, NVIDIA will conduct a random selection process, likely through an automated and verified system to ensure fairness and transparency. The winners will be contacted privately within 24 hours, and once confirmed, they'll receive their RTX 5080 Founders Edition cards, each signed, sealed, and delivered directly from NVIDIA. The speed of the process is impressive, showing NVIDIA's commitment to efficiency and fan satisfaction. And for those who don't win, don't worry. Giveaways like this often mark the beginning of bigger campaigns. NVIDIA could easily expand similar contests to other regions, including North America, Europe, or Asia, as the company continues to ramp up marketing for its RTX 50 lineup ahead of the holiday season. So, even if you can't participate in this Australian exclusive event, keep an eye on NVIDIA's official pages because similar opportunities may soon appear worldwide. From a broader perspective, this giveaway also symbolizes how the GPU market is evolving. In an era where performance and innovation are everything, NVIDIA knows that connecting emotionally with its fan base through personal, meaningful gestures like signed hardware creates stronger loyalty than any advertisement could. The RTX 5080 is expected to redefine 4K gaming and AI-driven graphics performance, offering unprecedented frame rates, smoother ray tracing, and enhanced DLSS that will make games look and feel more realistic than ever. And to think, 2 lucky Australians will get all that power absolutely free. It's a dream come true. The response from the gaming community has been overwhelmingly positive, with social media flooded by excited comments, memes, and speculations about who the winners might be. It's the perfect mix of anticipation and admiration that only a company like NVIDIA could pull off. So, if you're eligible, don't waste time. Go to NVIDIA GeForce's X account right now. Find that giveaway post, comment GeForce Day. Follow the account, and cross your fingers because the next message in your inbox could change your gaming life forever. For the rest of us watching from around the world, it's another exciting moment to witness NVIDIA's unmatched connection with its audience and the way it continues to dominate the GPU conversation with not just cutting-edge technology, but also heart. This event will be remembered not just a prize, but for the way it made gamers everywhere feel hopeful, connected, and part of something bigger than just hardware. NVIDIA's message is clear. Gaming isn't just about pixels and power. It's about people, passion, and community. And that's what makes GeForce Day so special. So, if you're in Australia, act now. Your dream GPU might just be a comment away. And as always, for the latest updates on gaming hardware, tech news, and global giveaways, make sure you stick around, because this is Techverse, your ultimate source for everything tech, where innovation meets information and excitement never stops. So, if you're an Australian gamer, don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime chance. Comment GeForce Day right now, and you might just win an RTX 5080 signed by Jensen Huang himself. And for everyone else around the globe, stay tuned for more upcoming giveaways and gaming updates only on Techverse, where technology meets passion and every bite tells a story.